You can use basic formulas in Google Sheet. To create a formula, select the cell where you want to see your answer. At the top of your screen, click on the white bar next to the FX sign. This is where the formulas are stored for each cell. You will be able to write formulas here as well as edit them. Let's use a formula to add up how much stock. We have first double click where you want the total and then type the equation in the FX bar. Always start a formula with an equal sign followed by the formula instruction. Type equals followed by the sum in capital letter, followed by open bracket, followed by the range. Our range is from D2 to D15 as these are the number we want to total. So we will type D2 to D15 followed by a close bracket sign to complete the equation. Press enter. If the formula has been entered correctly, the total will immediately be shown in the cell. If you have made a mistake, perhaps you have misspelled something, an error symbol will appear like this. Then you should go back to your FX bar and you can edit it. Until it's correct, you can learn how to create other formulas by learning the Google Sheet language.